Hello, I'm Kathleen McDonough. Welcome to my physical therapy practice. I'm in beautiful San Anselmo, California in Marin County. And come on in, I'm going to show you around what's inside. So this is the bulk of the studio space where I do Pilates. I incorporate Pilates into pretty much every one of my patients' rehabilitation program, mostly because people seek me out for that, but also because it's very whole body. It often addresses multiple joint issues. We can address what the source of the problem is, not just treat the pain. I have almost every piece of classical Pilates equipment you can imagine. This is the universal reformer. The nice thing about using the reformer is that we can do very low-level exercise in a non-weight-bearing position. So if you have not been cleared yet to do weight-bearing exercise, we can do partial weight-bearing on the reformer. So it's almost as gentle as pool exercise. Of all the skills that I have of over 40 years of doing physical therapy, the most important tool that I have to give you is to help remind your body it can move without pain, which is a huge deal. Pain can go on for a long time and really interrupt your activities and be kind of ingrained. So how can we learn to move without pain? I also have a trapeze table, the pedipole, lots of props and toys like the magic circle, hand weights, small barrels, you name it, pretty much, I've got it. And then if we keep walking this way, we have a nice, beautiful, large restroom, changing room. And then I have more Pilates equipment in here, the Wunda chair, the high chair, the ladder barrel. And then if you come on back, this is my private treatment room. So when we first meet, this is where we start. I usually spend 15 to 20 minutes with each patient going over what makes it better, what makes it worse, how it behaves, so I can get a good sense of things, go over any film studies that you've had, answer any questions about the interpretation of what that means, what the heck is on my MRI or my CT scan, and what does that mean for my recovery. And then we do a physical exam and get started with some treatment. With most patients, we determine together what's working and what's not working, what's tight, that might need to be stretched and stretched in the safest way possible, what's weak and what needs to be strengthened, what postural adjustments need to be made, how you do what you do at your desk every day or at your job every day, and making sure that that's as efficient and pain-free as possible. Determining a plan for you to continue without me. How can you keep doing or get back to doing the things you love, but in a safer way that doesn't give you pain. So if you're experiencing pain or having difficulty with daily activities, if you have some chronic issues that you'd like to get to the source of, and you're looking for a whole body, holistic approach to your care, come and see me at Kathleen McDonough Physical Therapy in San Anselmo. Like me and follow me.